So about a week ago, I was tinkering around with the sound system in my truck, and well, I blew a speaker. My fault. Probably pushed a little harder than I should have. So today, I need to change out the speakers, but while I'm there, I want to do something that I've always wanted to do, and it's always been expensive, and I want to add some sound deadening to the doors. I've read that sound deadening can help like improve the sound, also quiet up the inside of the vehicle. So got on Amazon and found the cheapest sound deadening material I could find. Now this one is the Amazon Basics Car Sound Deadener 10-piece. I think I paid like $30 for it. I don't know how good it is. It seemed to have decent reviews. It's pretty heavy. These are the sheets. I think they are 14 by 10. Yep. 14 by 10. So I'm thinking I'm going to probably do it. So I'm only going to do it on the doors. Now, ideally, if I was to do the whole sound deadening thing, I'd probably want to take out the seats and do the floor, the ceiling, the back, and all that stuff. But that's a lot of work. Don't feel like doing that. So I'm just going to do the door. I think I'm just going to do one sheet inside the door. I've read that some is better than none. So we're just going to go with that just because, well, I'm lazy and that's easier. So now for the speakers, though, in my truck, which is a 2015 Ram 1500, they have the factory speakers. They work pretty good. They sound amazing, but let's go with something a little better. And I got online and I was looking, and apparently the higher end models have these Alpine speakers and they're supposed to sound pretty good. And that's what I picked up. Now the cone is different. The other ones have the paper cone. I don't know what this material is made of. I'm not exactly sure, but they're a little heavier. They're supposed to sound better. And I got these online. The seller wanted 100. I offered $60 with shipping to my door. Not bad for 4 speakers. Now you can go some other aftermarket options, but you're gonna pay a lot more. I'm not trying to go with a super duper sound system. I'm just trying to go with better than the blown speaker, a little bit of sound deadening, maybe a slight upgrade. So let's get to the truck. Let's take off the door panel. Removal of this panel, like I said earlier, is easy. This pries up. We'll disconnect the cables from it. So at least get that started. And then back here, we got a fillet. Just want to pop that cover off, which it fell down the hole. That's fine. And then you got these, which most times you could take a flathead screwdriver and just really pop these out. These things just, yeah, you see, they're just not really held in. More like they hold it in place, not necessarily keep it tight to the door. So that's fine. So there's 2 here, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the right. I'm gonna pop this out and then we'll keep going. Oh, I can't forget, gotta take this out. Yeah, that's the thing. Now we keep going. So that just pops right up, nothing fancy to it. I think these are not 7. Golly, those are small. Might be like a 5 or 6. Let me see what I got. So those are actually 5s. Take all 4 of those out. Alright, this connector pops out just like so. All right, sweet. Now in comparison, I can tell you right now, this one is way heavier than this one. I mean, this one just feels cheap, even though this sounds pretty good. But the cone, I mean, I think it's plastic. Actually, it's like a paper cone. This one seems more plastic. So you could tell that, yeah, just the weight comparison. Doesn't have much information. This one tells you 4 ohms. I'd have to look up the specs on this one, but it's heavier. It's got to be good, right? I got a couple of options. I can either try to slide the sound dampening through this hole over here and here. I was thinking about taking this whole panel off, but I think that's gonna be a lot more work than actually what it's worth. So I'm gonna try to slide it in over here, see if I can get this part and maybe here. If I could get 2 good sheets in there, I think that'll make a difference. Interesting enough, they do have some, I mean, a little bit, but I think a little extra would actually help get rid of that whole hollow emptiness. So let's see if I can slide it in. So I was able to sneak it in. It is pretty tough as there's not a lot of room. Like I said, ideally removing this panel would be perfect, but It seems like an intense job. The whole window track is there. I mean, everything is there, but I was able to sneak it in, get it right over here, and then especially in the speaker area, got that covered, and also was able to sneak a panel right up here. So I used 2 of those panels. I think that should be a lot better. I mean, you could bang on it. The sound sounds a lot more dead, especially on this side. So it might work. So let's go ahead and pop in these speakers. The cool thing about these upgraded speakers is they got the same connector. So let's do that. I'm gonna do the other 3 sides. I'm not gonna record that because it's pretty much the same thing. And if anything's interesting along the way, I'll turn the camera on. If not, I'll show you how everything comes out. Wasn't too bad. I found it was a lot easier to kind of cut it up and stick it in the doors, and I probably should have just showed that, but I just cut it into pieces and filled it up as much as I can, and I used 2 pieces for each side. So yeah, well, let's try my sound meter thing and let's see if we got any improvement. So we're about 49, 50. I mean, it goes down to 49, which it didn't before. It was like 50, 51. So that might be improvement on idle. So let's go around the block and see if we get anything better. So cruising around, it's about 59, 60. I forget what it was before, and I'll post it on the screen. But overall, honestly, I gotta say, it just feels a lot more dead in here. It doesn't feel as very vibrant. So I do notice a difference on it, and I think it would make an even bigger difference if we were just to kind of sound deaden the roof and the floor and everything like that. But it sounds pretty good. And the biggest difference, and I wish I could show it, but you know, copyright and all that stuff, is the upgraded sound. Putting it in the doors with the speakers and even the better speakers on it, it sounds a lot more better, a lot deeper, fuller sound. So that's a pretty good upgrade. And something I will suggest is that if you want to go cheap and find a good speakers for your vehicle, go to the junkyard, look for the premium version of your vehicle, and get the speakers from there. It works really good. I've gotten Bose out of the newer, nicer versions. These were Alpine from the more luxury versions of the Ram. Make sure you get the wiring harness in case you go with a different manufacturer, but that's typically what I do, and I find it to be a lot cheaper, and I really get some nice sound for it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see what I come up with next.